Receiving incoming transmission.
Captain, Vice Admiral Stukov has informed me of your flawless sortie upon Braxis. I must commend you for beginning our campaign with such a decisive victory. Our TAC teams have decrypted the Dominion's data link and have gained access to Ming's most guarded files. However, our work is not yet complete. We have ascertained the location of the Dylarian Shipyards. These shipyards, serving as a fueling and repair station for the Dominion, house a number of functional battle cruisers in dry dock. To assure that our domination of this sector remains uncontested, you are to assault the shipyards and liberate as many of these capital ships as possible.
Gentlemen, I recommend that you launch this attack using the utmost caution. Dominion Command can typically reinforce its outlying bases within 16 standard hours. You should expect some sort of reprisal from Emperor Mengs shortly.
The turncoat. I suggest that you pay keen attention to rank when you address the captain and myself, Lieutenant Duran. Is that understood?
Of course, Admiral.
You're beginning to show your age, Gerard. Give the boy some credit. He just tipped us off to a preeminent attack.
However useful he may prove to be, Alexei, he will always be a traitor in my eyes. And you know that I cannot abide a traitor.
Only too well, Gerard. Captain, when you are ready, you may commence with the operation. Once you have commandeered the enemy's battle cruisers, be prepared to repel the Dominion reinforcements when they arrive. Once your forces have landed, Captain, you'll need to escort our pilots to the battle cruisers themselves. They will be able to commandeer the ships and turn them over to our control.
All right, troops, listen up. Each squad will have a medic assigned to it to patch up the wounded, but that doesn't mean you can get careless. Stay frosty and get the job done.
Give me something to shoot. Go, go, go!
Hey there. All right. Howdy. No sweat.
Commander. Let's move.
Battle cruising operation.
Rock and roll. Let's move. Rock and roll.
Right away. Stat.
Howdy. All right.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Commander.
How y'all doing? No sweat. Yep.
Where does it hurt?
Jacked up and good to go.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Hey there. Sure thing.
Did someone page me? Stat. On my way. Stat.
Battle cruiser
How y'all
operational.
State the nature of your medical emergency. Right away.
Rock and roll.
On my way. I'm on the job.
Your forces are under attack.
I'm going. Sure thing. No sweat. Yep. All right.
Where does it hurt? On my way.
Battle cruiser
there.
operational.
Call the shot. Never know what hit him.
Did someone
How
page
y'all
me?
doing? Sure thing.
Sir, permission to blind that tank with an optical flare.
I'm here. I hear that. I'm gone. Never know what hit him. I'm gone.
Where does it hurt? Right away. On my way. Right away.
Finally.
Did someone page me? On my way. Right away. I'm on the job. Stat.
I'm here. Finally. I'm all over it. Finally. I'm all over it. I hear that. I'm gone.
know what hit him. I'm gone. Never know what hit him. I hear that. I'm all over it. I'm gone. I hear that.
Where does it hurt? Right away. Did someone page me? Right away.
Ghost reporting. I'm gone.
Need medical attention?
Call the
Stat.
shot. I'm gone.
Hey there. Yep.
I'm here. I'm gone.
Where does it hurt? Need medical
Battle
attention?
cruiser operational.
I hear that.
Did someone page me? I'm on the
Hey there.
job.
Ghost reporting.
Where does it
Hey
hurt?
there. No sweat. What's up?
Need medical attention? Stat.
I'm here.
Battle
Call the
cruiser
shot.
operational.
I'm all over it. I'm gone. Never know what hit him.
Need medical attention? I'm on the
Hey
job.
there.
I'm here.
Where does it hurt?
I'm here.
Did someone page me?
How y'all doing? All right. I'm going.
Call the shot. Never know what hit him.
Battle cruiser operational. Battle cruiser operational.
Silos are secured. We've got 4 nukes on standby, awaiting your orders.
Comlink online. Confirmed.
What's up?
Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding.
Comlink online.
Finally. I hear that. I'm all over it.
Comlink online. Now com lock.
Finally. I'm all over it. I hear that.
How y'all doing?
Finally.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
I'm here. I'm gone. Finally.
Need medical attention? State the nature of your medical
Ghost
emergency.
report. I'm all over it. I'm here.
Systems functional.
I'm here. Ghost report. I'm here. I'm all over it. I'm gone. Never know what hit him. I'm gone. I hear that. Finally. Ghost report. Never know what hit him. I'm all over it. Ghost report. Call the shot. I'm all over it. I'm gone. I hear that. I'm all over it. I hear that. Never know what hit him. I'm all over it. Never know what hit him. Call the shot. Ghost report. Call the shot. I'm all over it. Finally. Call the shot. Never know what hit him. I'm gone.
Systems functional.
Ghost report.
Howdy. No sweat. Sure thing.
Finally.
Need medical attention?
Finally. Give me something to shoot. Rock
Battle
and
cruiser
roll.
operational.
Go, go, go. Outstanding.
Battle
Let's
cruiser
move.
operational.
Outstanding. Go, go, go. Let's move.
Your forces are under attack.
Go, go, go. Rock and roll. Shot. I'm gone.
Systems functional. Confirmed. Target designated. Comlink online.
Acknowledged, HQ.
Howdy. All right.
Ghost reporting. I'm all over it. Call the shot. Ghost reporting. I hear that. I'm gone. Never know what hit him. Ghost reporting.
Nuclear launch detected.
I hear that. I'm gone. I'm all over it.
Nuclear launch
Ghost reporting.
detected.
Call the shot. Never know what hit him. I'm all over it. Ghost reporting. I'm here. I'm gone. Never know what hit him.
Go ahead, TACOM. Target designated.
Finally.
Your forces are under attack.
Ghost reporting. I hear that. I'm gone. I hear that. Never know what hit him.
Go ahead, TACOM.
Ghost reporting. I'm here. I'm gone. Never know what hit him. I hear that.
Battle
State
cruiser.
the nature of your medical emergency.
Go
Your
ahead,
forces are
TACOM.
under attack.
Call the shot.
Howdy. All right. How y'all doing?
Go ahead, TACOM. Battle cruiser operational. Target designated. Battle cruiser
Call the shot.
operational.
Yes, sir.
Finally. I'm gone. Never know what hit him.
Your forces are under
State the
attack.
nature of your medical emergency.
Restore us.
I'm gone.
Right away.
Commander.
State the nature of your medical emergency. Where does it hurt?
Ghost reporting.
Howdy. No sweat.
Need medical attention?
What's up? Howdy.
I'm here. Finally. Never know what hit him. I'm all over it. I'm gone.
Your forces are under
I
attack.
hear that. I'm gone. Call the shot. I'm all over it.
Where does it hurt?
Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir.
Finally. I'm all over it. Ghost reporting. I'm gone. I'm all over it. I hear that. Ghost reporting. I'm here.
State the nature of your medical emergency. On my way.
Ghost reporting.
Identify target. Moving. Identify target.
Finally.
Orders, sir.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Call the shot. Jacked up and good to go.
Did someone page me?
Commander. Go, go, go. Outstanding.
Did someone page me?
Standing by. Rock and roll. Let's move. Go, go, go. Ghost reporting.
Identify target. Moving. Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir. Moving. Destination.
Where does it hurt?
Ghost reporting.
Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Howdy. No sweat. What's up? I'm going.
Orders, sir. Absolutely.
Battle
Moving.
cruiser operational.
Delighted to, sir.
Finally,
Energy.
call the shot. Never know what hit 'em. I'm all over it. I hear that.
Need medical attention?
Orders, sir! Proceed! Absolutely! Yes, sir! Move it!
Ghost report. I'm gone.
Howdy, no sweat. Sure thing.
Finally, I'm gone. I'm all over it. Never know what hit 'em. I'm here.
Where does it hurt?
Ghost report. Finally, I hear that.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Finally. I'm here. Finally.
Did someone page me?
Call the shot. Ghost reporting.
Howdy, I'm going. Yep, alright, I'm going. Yes, sir!
Finally.
Where does it hurt?
Finally. Call the shot. Ghost reporting. I hear that.
State the nature of your
How y'all
medical
doing?
emergency.
Sure thing. How y'all doing? No sweat. I'm going. No sweat. I'm going. Alright, sure thing. I'm going.
Battle cruiser operational.
I'm here. I hear that. I'm gone. Never know what hit 'em. I'm all over it.
Identify target.
Ghost reporting.
Identify target. Proceeding.
Need medical
I'm
attention?
here.
Yes, sir. Howdy, I'm going. No sweat. I'm going.
Ghost reporting. I'm here.
Destination. Identify target.
I'm here.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Howdy, no sweat. Yep. All right. Yep.
Call the shot.
Battle
What's
cruiser
up? No
operational.
sweat. Identify target. Proceeding. Delighted to, sir.
Call the shot. I'm all over it. I hear
Yes,
that.
sir.
Finally. I'm here.
Destination. Absolutely. Howdy. No sweat. All right. Sure thing. I'm going. All right. No sweat. Yep. Sure thing.
Battle
How
cruiser
y'all doing?
operational.
Call the shot.
Identify target. Howdy. Orders, sir.
Ghost reporting. I'm here. Never know what hit 'em. Never know what hit 'em.
Destination. Hey there. I'm going.
Finally. I'm gone.
Orders, sir. Delighted to, sir.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Battle cruiser
Identify target.
operational.
What's up? I'm going. Orders, sir. Proceeding. Delighted to, sir.
Ghost reporting.
Orders, sir. Move it.
Ghost reporting. I'm gone. I'm all over it. I'm gone.
Yes, sir! Absolutely!
Howdy. No sweat.
Orders, sir! Move it! Absolutely!
Battle cruiser operational.
Captain, we are tracking a large fleet of Dominion ships in your vicinity.
This must be the reinforcements that Lieutenant Duran warned us about. Captain, prepare our newly acquired fleet to battle the intruders.
Take it slow. Set a course. Receiving transmission. Set a course. Engage. Good day, Commander. Set a course. Good day, Commander. Set a course. All crews reporting. Engage.
Captain, we are being hailed by the Dominion flagship NORAD 3.
Well now, I don't know which militia y'all are from, but I advise you to back down, now. I'm General Edmund Duke of the Dominion Armada, and in the name of Emperor Mex, I order you to surrender your forces immediately and unconditionally.
Ah, General Duke. I expected your forces to arrive sooner. You should know that we represent not one of your ragtag peasant militias, but the combined might of the United Earth Directorate.
Earth Directorate? You mean to tell me you come all the way out here from Earth?
That is correct, General. We're here to take control over this sector and its occupants for the betterment of mankind.
Over my dead body. I don't care where you're from, son. No one pushes around the Terran Dominion on my watch. All units, fire at will.
Make it happen. Good day, Commander. Hailing frequency scope.
Your forces are under attack. Not enough energy.
Make it slow. Good day, Commander.
Not enough energy.
Hailing frequency scope. Take it slow.